How do you guys feel when you guys know a dropshipper buys something from your store that ships out? Does it bother you? Or do you encourage it? I'm very intrigued to see your answers on this one. Welcome to Flipping and Punching, and today is December 7th. Today's Thursday, December 7th, and we're going to pull some orders here and pick up where we left off. So we did get some good orders here. We got a lot of stuff to list on eBay. From this massive pickup we did. You'll see some of that later on in this video. Yeah, the guy that we bought all that Disney pin stuff off, he had a friend that wanted to get rid of their Disney collection. So this is why it's so important to network for your business and let people know what you do and tell them that you're looking to buy others, that they know no one else, because you never know when they'll reach out to you. So which is awesome they did. But all right, let's get started. We'll pull some orders here. So the first order we're pulling here is we sold these vintage Pink Panther cups. These are super cool. These are actually from 1979, I think. Yeah, but these are made in USA. These are brand new. So really cool. We sold two of these cups for $18.99 plus shipping. All right, next time we sold, man, it's dark in here. Next time we sold was actually a comic book from up in my office. There is a Simpsons #3, and this is a newsstand. This got a 9.6. We had this on eBay for $119.99 plus shipping. Sent out an offer for $109. Yeah, I think we sold this for $109 plus shipping. So I'm happy to see it go. All right, so next time we actually sold a bunch of Smurf glasses, and these are from the 80s. They're super cool looking. They're here in a box. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of them here, but these are super cool. The graphics are great. There's the Smurfs. These are from 1982. There's a whole massive collection. Smurfette. Smurfs. You get the gist. I'm not gonna unwrap all of them. I absolutely love stuff like this. Pop culture, stuff from the 80s, stuff from the 90s. That's like my wheelhouse. These are super cool. I think I paid $1 of a mug, so I think I got maybe like, it's 12. I think I got maybe like 10, 12 bucks into them, and I sold the entire lot for $59.99 plus shipping. So happy to see this go. Especially they're breakable, and I'm like a bull in the china shop. So I try to avoid selling glassware and buying glassware as much as I can, but I could not leave these behind. All right, so next item we sold was a Nintendo GameCube game. We sold WrestleMania 19. WrestleMania 19 there. We got $19.99 plus shipping. Once again, this is going to a drop shipper, probably on Amazon. They put a note on it saying that please do not include any packaging slips, receipts, or anything like that. So I always want to just include one, but you know, they're buying from me. It's helping me out. It's helping them out. So I'm not here to mess with the business. So we get $19.99 plus shipping on that. Interesting question though, for all you guys out there. I know people that get upset when a dropshipper buys from them to resell it on Amazon at a higher price. But we are resellers, is what we do on a day-to-day basis. We go out, we buy things for cheap and flip it online for a profit. So is it okay for someone to buy from your eBay store to resell on Amazon or to resell in their store? I have no problem with it. Absolutely. I encourage it, to be honest with you. You know, like, I don't have to be the end. We don't always have to be the end result or the last transaction. We could be the middleman and still make money. So, but yeah, let me know in the comments, how do you guys feel when you guys know a dropshipper buys something from your store that ships out? Does it bother you? Or do you encourage it? I'm very intrigued to see your answers on this one. All right, so next time we sold, I still can't believe these are actually selling. These are the Good to Juice tops. I think that's how you say Good to Juice. Is it Juice to Good, or is it Good to Grow? I was totally off. The Good to Grow tops. They're the juice box tops that have all the different characters like Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, SpongeBob, etc. So I got a massive lot of these at a yard sale. I got 2 bags full for $1 a bag, and didn't think they were going to sell at all. This is the third sale in like the last like 3 days. So we sold these Hello Kitty ones. So here's Hello Kitty. What I realized is that these clear ones are actually You get a premium for the clear ones, and then they have like silver ones as well. So keep an eye out for those. We had those listed for $14.99. I think someone sent an offer for like 10 bucks. So I just took it. So we get 10 bucks plus shipping on these. Happy to see them move, and still shocked that these are actually selling. So these are a bolo, guys. Be on the lookout for them. All right, so next item we sold a Funko Pop for the WWE. Randy Orton. I maybe have a couple bucks, $2-3 into it. This thing's been in my store for a while now. Here it is. Randy Orton. Had it up for $26.99. Someone sent me an offer for 15 bucks. I counted at $21.99, and they accepted. So for those that don't know, Randy Orton had back surgery, so he's been out for the last year. Probably why this thing hasn't been selling. He just returned to Survivor Series at the end of November, so his stuff is now hot again because out of sight, out of mind. But now he's back, and his stuff is selling. So happy to see it go. It's been a while. That's one of the last wrestling pops that we had at the time for that massive lot we purchased. But glad to see it go. All right, so next time we sold another slot car. These have actually really slowed down for us, but because it's all the cream of the crop, all the good ones probably have already sold off, or I priced them a little too high. I was pretty much the only one here from the U.S. that had a lot of these slot cars when I did buy the collection. About a year ago, actually no, it was a year ago, I bought a massive slot car collection, about 200. They were in the box. They were all from like the 90s, from Scale Electrics, Matchbox, a bunch of them, but paid $2,000 for all those cars, and we did really, really well. We either tripled or quadrupled our money on this. Everything we had now is just pure profit too, so which is nice. So I've been discount amount. Here it is, Matchbox car. We had it listed for $64.99. Someone sent me an offer for 57 bucks. So $7 off, I would take that all day long. So we got $54.99 plus shipping for that item. So let me know in the comments, is there a big, massive lot that you guys have purchased that just keeps paying off for you over and over and over again? These slot cars have been a blessing in disguise. You know, what a lot of people don't realize is when you first start reselling, it just takes one big buy. It doesn't have to be a big buy. One good buy can really help that bank flow going, allow you to make bigger and bigger purchases on the way. For me, this was one of them, man. We paid $2,000 cash for all these slot cars, and you know, at the end of the day, we'll probably get $8 to 10 grand for all of them. But I mean, that money just keeps rolling in, which is great. You know, little by little keeps adding up. So I love purchases like that because then you don't have to source. You become an expert in that category, and then you start learning more and more about that stuff. So when you come across that stuff in the future, you're good to go. So next thing we sold a massive lot of VHS. These are all Michael Jordan VHS tapes. As you can see, the whole stack of them here. I think there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Got these at a yard, so I think we paid like $3 for them all. I thought they're gonna sell a lot faster than what they did. We ended up getting $19.99 plus shipping for these, but really cool. If you're a massive Bulls fan or sports fan from the 90s, this is a must-have. This is what's happened during Christmas season. I don't know what date it is. I don't know what time it is. It's literally, I've been working all day. It's 7 o'clock at night. And as you see, I don't have my hat on today like normal. I just been busting my butt working. Been a long, every year the holiday season goes longer and longer. So I got all my shipping done. I took yesterday off. Me and the wife went to Animal Kingdom. I got all my shipping done. As you saw at the end of last video or this video, I stayed up like 1:15 in the morning, 1:16 in the morning, packaging up all the items. So I got all those shipped out first thing Tuesday morning, took the day off Tuesday. I wasn't doing any shipping today because I'm going to ship everything out on Thursday. So today I can just start going through some items and listing items up on eBay. And I've been getting a lot up, so which is good because I haven't been listing. So which is really going to kick my store in the butt to start moving forward. And we got some lot of cool things, so stay tuned. When you see some of the stuff we just picked up, because we did a private pick on Sunday, and it's blown my mind what we have gotten. All right, guys, I was been listing these. So we got this mistletoe Minnie and Mickey. I got this Santa one right here, it's kind of cool. I got this other Santa one with a Santa sack. I couldn't find any comps on this one, so. Got this one right here, it's kind of cool. This is a music box, new with the tags. That one up there. Got these little ones here. The Steamboat Willie action there. This one's probably my favorite. This one's super cool. That one, and then these little salt and pepper shakers right here. So yeah, we got all those. We just got all those listed here. They came from that my new recent pickup. We've been kicking butt today, man. We get all this listed on eBay. All these video game stuff. The PlayStation Vita. You don't see a lot of PlayStation Vita. Donkey Kong, Worms, Crash, Harley part. Finally getting some of those up on eBay. Got that up. Got this little. This is super cool. This little Christmas ornament. So got all those up, and then started putting a lot of these up. These are like these pin containers, which they're frame pins from Disney Convention 1997 pin sets. I mean, look at this cruise pin set here. I mean, it just goes on. Another frame pin set. Got these. There's another one down there. I'm not gonna take them all in the box, but you guys get the drift of it so far. It's been a long day. I started out this morning listing, but we're doing great, man. We've listed over. So far we listed 22 items for $1,366. So getting back to listing, but I gotta show you guys probably one of the coolest things from this giant pickup that we did. All right, so these are cast member service pins. So when you're with Disney for 1 year, you get one of those. With Disney for 5 years, you get that one. 10 years, you get a little castle. 20 years, you get a little Jimmy Cricket. 15 years, you get Sorcerer Mickey. 20 years, you get a Mickey. Donald's a 5-year one. Here's 25-year Tinkerbell. 35 years Pinocchio. 40 years with Disney, you get Mickey Mouse. But this is crazy right here. 45 years, you get Walt and Mickey together. And some other really cool ones here. This is opening team for a cruise ship. That one's, I think, really valuable. But so you only get those pins for the amount of time that you've been with Disney. So someone spent 45 years of their life working for Disney. I mean, that pin is, they've had more years of service at Disney than I'm even alive, which is absolutely insane to even think about. I looked on I couldn't find any comps on that pin. I looked on WorthPoint because how many employees are working for Disney for 45 plus years? I did find one comp that sold for, I think, $1,295. Like, I'm like mind blown by that. So yeah, I'm gonna get all these up here, and we have some other cool things that we need to list. This giant train set in this giant pickup. So it's, yeah, this is insane. So this one right here, if I'm right, I've seen comps anywhere from 1,500 to I think like $3 grand. So I need to get that up tomorrow.